Hi everyone, my name is Vinod Kumar Pari. I'm a senior technical lead. Today we are going to see how do we convert your React web application into the desktop applications using the Electrons framework. Now let's see the step by step. How do we achieve that? First, we will create one React application. Then we will run it in web. Then I will show you how do you convert your React web applications into the desktop applications. Right now, I'm going to create one folder here. Electron desktop converter. Right. So here I'm going to create one React application. So I'm using the Visual Studio Code editor here. So open the Visual Studio Code, file, open folder, right? This is an empty folder that we'll create. Now I'm going to, where is a terminal? Terminal. See, I didn't prepare fully here. We'll do it. I will go it on the flow. In case of any issue, we will Google it and fix it. Right now, I'm going to create one React applications. So uh, nps and create React app, my test web application. So using this create command, I will create one empty React web applications. Now all the respective package will be installing. I know it will hardly takes next 1 minute. Right, once this package has been successfully created, all the relevance file will be shown here. So it's installing the React DOM, React scripts, and CRA templates. It's take the couple of minutes, right? Okay, we'll wait that. Node modules has been installed, so it will install here, right? All the respective packages will be installed here. Windows, wait. It's taking the more than 2 minutes, I think. Okay, anyway, we will wait and see that. Okay, so all the respective files will be installing here and installing template dependency. And see here, guys, 264 packages are looking for funding. I think 264 added 1319 packages in 2 minutes, right? Now You can see app.js, index.css file, index.js, all their respective file will be installed here. Now we will run this React application, run npm run start. I can give the command. Okay, right. Cd space, go to this particular project. So here within the parent directory, we'll create one sub directory. Within the sub directory, all the relevant files will be created. So you need to go into the sub directory where you need to start your React applications. npm run start. Uh, so your React application will be loaded in localhost 3000 port. Now I'm getting the error, cannot resolve the web vitals. Okay, now we will install these packages. Maybe missed it during the installations. npm mm, web vitals. So this package is installed. Now again we will try to run the React applications. npm run start. See again your React application will be loaded in port number 3000. Yes, now that issue has fixed. Now our React application is working properly in localhost 3000, right? It's working as expected. Now React applications is successfully loading. Now we will create we open one more Visual Studio where we will install the Electron packages. Then we will convert your React applications into the desktop applications, right? So this is your React application project. So I will open one more Visual Studio code here, right? And this is our sample project which is located here. So going to create one more folder, Electron app. So I will open the folder here, right? So we need to install the respective packages. Go to the new terminal here. Then we need to install the electrons. Open the electrons documentations. Electron React documentations. This is the Electron site. So using this tool only, we are going to convert your web applications into the React application. Sorry, desktop application. Right? We have the doc here, right? So this is the so here they will provide the detailed instructions of how do we create your React applications into the desktop mode. Okay, you can read the documentations here. This is the URL, website URL. You can quit start, right? So node, we need to install the node and npm. This is a basic setups while you install the React. So open the directory and npm in it. You need to execute this command and you have to install the electrons and right and, and so these are the setups that we need to create. First we will run one by one. So your electron happier npm init. so this, so when you execute this command, it will asking the project name. My sample electron version I will keep same 1.0.0 testing project. Any descriptions that you can give it, but I'll give the testing project. Entry point index.js I will be set out here. Text command, anything that you can set up here. Git repository. I don't have the Git repository, so I will do it in the local. I'll keep it as blank. Keywords you can keep let's blank. I can give my name. License let it be ISE. Yes. So after successfully created, you will get the package.json's file here, right? So here you have the name, versions, descriptions, main, scripts, author, and license. So whatever input that you have given, based on that, it will create the JSON file. This is a package.json, right? So go to the terminal here. Now we will install the Electron package. npm install Electron. Now this package, Electron package is installing now. As per this instructions, we have executed this command. The JSON file will be created. Now we are executing this command. Okay, once this command got executed, right, we need to create the this respective file manually. HTML and no, this main.js. In our application, we will keep index.js. So just copy this paste from this side and paste it in our project, right? These three files we need to manually create it, and we can use the same code as this, right? So your electrons will be created. So your electron modules will be created, right? Now you will get your own package log.json file, right? Here you have the package.json file. Now we are going to create these three main file, main.js file, but in our project, instead of main.js, we will keep index.js. So we can create the index.js file here. Then we need to create the preload.json file. Then we need to create the index.html file. It is the starting point of our desktop applications. So I'll copy here and paste out here. We have the index.page. This code base, I will copy this code base here. I will paste it out. So create window. This is our startup, preload sessions, activations. This will be triggered when you closed out the window. This is a preload session. Same code base I will copy and paste out here. Right now, this is your index.html page. We are trying to load your Electron applications, right? At the time when you load, this will load the predefined template of the Electron. Okay, now we will check whether it is running or not. Once it is running successfully, we will map the this project into the electrons project, because this project is already running in localhost 3000. Okay, that we will map it into the Electron project and convert the desktop application. Now we will check that whether it is working or not. Go to the terminal. You can use the same command npm run start. Oh god, I just given the wrong name here. npm run start. No, it is not working. Missing script start. Go to the packet.json. So, and here we missed the start script. Start electron. Right? Come on. Run scripts. npm run start. Now your Electron application is successfully running. This is a Windows mode. So you have all the Windows menus will be present here. So this is our HTML content. Now everything is working expected, right? So when you give npm run start command, what happens? It will open the pop-up of the Windows applications where it displays this HTML content. Now I'm going to show, this React application. We are going to integrate this localhost 3000 into the into your electrons project. Then we will show this local host 3000 into the desktop mode, right? That way we will do that. In order to achieve that, open the package.config file. um, Sorry, index.file. Dun. One second, one sec. Mm. So open the, now we are going to map this localhost into the Electron application. So in order to achieve that, open the index.js file where give the let main window, give this variable here, main window, then app ready. This is a create window, then app ready. So after this executed, we are going to declare the constant start URL equal to true, equal to, so we need to give the your localhost URL that applications you're running in the previous project, right? If else, we define the empty thing true, otherwise define the empty thing, right? Then main window dot load URL start URL. Window dot on closed comma, then main window equal to null. All right. So here I have mentioned that localhost 360 at the time when the even Electron applications loading, where I will use this URL to load that. Then all set, right? Okay. Now we'll try to run this applications. So npm run start cannot read property reading load URL. It's not loading here. We'll check what is that issue now. Mm, Does not load HTML file. App dot pin new browsers. Okay. So this is the way to let main window. So you need to define the start URL. Then if it is true, we will assign this to the main window. Else we will now show the index.html file. Right. Then we use it here to close the main window command here. Now we will try to run the your applications. Npm run start. Right. What I'm it's working, right? So this page is load from this project, right? When you run this project into the localhost, okay, this is load from here. Okay, make sure that this localhost will be the running state. Okay, then only it will render here. Okay, now we are seeing that our localhost 3000 into the Windows applications mode here. So that's all. This is the no our using this Electron tool to convert your React web application to the desktop applications. Yes, only thing is you need to configure the installation process is same, that no steps will be available in the website. Okay, you need to carefully no follow the instructions to install the respective packages. After that you have to define your main project source code URL here. If URL is exists, it is alive, then we will load the URL into the main window. Otherwise, we will show the normal HTML file that we mentioned out here. So make sure that when you run this your Electron desktop applications, your localhost 3000 will the port 3000 will be the running state, right? Now we are going to uh, you know published your your electrons applications. We are not supposed to give this entire tools and code base to the customer, right? So instead of that, we have the in electrons, we have the distributions options, using distribution options. So using that, we need to convert your React application code base to exe, right? So for end user, by double click the exe, you know they will open our softwares, they can use it. Right now we will see that how do we convert your Electron app into the exe base, right? So in order to convert that, you need to install the uh, respective package. So customizables, right? Documentations will be available here. Right now I will install the respective package. Npm install save dev elec- electron forge cl I. So we have the Electron Forge here. So using that Electron Forge libraries to convert your uh, this application into the exe mode. Before that, we need to install the JIT, right? That should be in the global level, which I already been installed. So it will not ask it again, but at the very first time of installations, it will asking you to install the JIT package. So make sure that package will be installed on your machines. All right, now npx Electron forge import, right? Forge, right? Forge import, unknown command, make sure that Electron forge import, FOACTL, NPM, sorry, it should be NPX, Electron forge import. So we are going to installing the respective package of the electronic forge to convert this project into the EXEs. It will take time, next couple of minutes. We need to wait for that. So after this installation has been completed, we will see that how do we create a distributable. Distributable is just nothing but how do we convert this project into the EXE. In Electron, they will say distribution as a binary creations, right? Okay, Forge package has been successfully installed. Now we are going to convert this package into the exe. The command will be very simple: npm run make. After this command has been executed successfully, you will get the out folder here. Within the out folder, this package will be built and create as a exe format. That is called binary. Right now, you started executing this command. Now your binary will be created. Right, you can see here, right, out folder will be created. This is one of the way to create you know your web application into desktop applications. In Electron itself, we have three steps to convert your application into desktop mode. This is one of the step which I explained here. Another steps, the documentation will be provided in the Electron site itself. You can check it out there, right? Okay, your distributable will be created. I going to the out folder, click the out folder. Right here you have, right, my electrons exe. This is the file that you share to the client, that you can run it into the client machine itself. When you double click the exe, right, your application will be working in a desktop mode. That's all, guys. This is how you can convert your React web application into the desktop mode. In case of any doubts or clarification, just comment it. I will explain you, or you can contact me directly in vinodkumari@gmail.com. You can mail me. I will explain you the flow, or in case of any support, I will do it for you. Thank you, guys. Have a good day.